Well, ladies and gentlemen, one world premiere is not enough. Please welcome the new Opel CEO on his very first day right here at Opel. Please welcome Mr. Uwe Hochgeschurtz.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the premiere of a stunning car. And yes, Chiemsee, indeed. Today is my first day as the new Opel CEO. I'm really excited to see you all for this world premiere. I'm looking forward playing an important role at a very special brand with such a great heritage, exciting cars, and of course, fantastic people.
Uwe, speaking about brands as you just have, can you tell us how do you like the new Astra and also what does it mean to the Opel brand?
It's a great car and I'm a lucky guy to start together with such an outstanding vehicle. The new Astra will open an exciting new chapter in the 85-year history of Opel compact class models. The new generation is electrified for the first time. The Opel logo, the Blitz, has never matched the Astra so well. I am confident that the new Astra will make a powerful impression and attract many new customers to the brand. Opel has already become sustainable, profitable, and is now going global. We have just announced our entry of the Chinese market with a fully electric portfolio. We need to move forward fast because people's demand on mobility are changing rapidly. And the industry environment has never been more challenging.
But Uwe, can you tell us how will the Astra do that?
Because it's highly energy efficient. We can offer the new Astra with state-of-the-art petrol and diesel engines, as well as 2 plug-in hybrids. It will be available as a dynamic 5-door hatchback and a roomy sports tourer estate. The new generation is a big step, more efficient, spacious, versatile than its predecessor.
One important factor is of course also the price. How much will it cost, Uwe?
Prices will start at 22,465 euro in Germany for an already really well-equipped Astra. Order books open in October and regular production will start at the end of this year at our plant here in Rüsselsheim.
So everybody knows the Astra name, but with this generation, we wanted to use it to drive a new perception of what the Opel brand stands for. Of course, it's German. We created the car here in Rüsselsheim, but it carries Opel's new bold and pure design philosophy forward with a confident, sporty execution. Let me take you through a few of the design highlights. And let's start with the front face of the car and of course the Opel visor, first seen on the new Mokka. The full-width visor graphic gives the Astra a bold, progressive look, seamlessly integrating technologies such as the typical wing signature lights and the ultra-slim LED pixel headlamps that will once again bring cutting-edge innovation to the compact segment. Moving to the side, you can see the sleek dynamic proportions and muscular wheel arches together with the two-tone roof, giving the car a very low and sporty stance. At the rear, the muscular shoulders really help plant the car on the ground, emphasizing strong dynamic capability. Again, the typical wing-shaped full LED signature lights, new centrally mounted Astra nameplate badging, and sheer taut surfaces of the tailgate all help to communicate a modern, high-quality vehicle with, of course, German precision.